Hello everybody, welcome back to Creative English. I am Muhammad. Today we will make a revision for the first group we studied so far. They were 4 consonants and 2 vowels that are s, t, n, a, and e. Our objectives for this video: revise the first group, learn how to blend these sounds together, revise how to pronounce these sounds. The sounds we learned in the first group are s, t, p, n, a, and e. Note, in every word there is a vowel at least. S, at, sat, p, a, n, pa. The sound a is the vowel here. T, a, p, tap. N, a, p, nap. The sound a is the vowel here too. S, eat, sit. P, in, pin. The sound e is the vowel here. T, in, tin. E, n, k, ink. Let's blend new words. Eat, it. At, eep, tip. Eep, pip. Eep, sip. Sp, at, spat. Sp, in, spin. And pant. Well, let's do an exercise. Circle the vowel and underline the consonant. If you want to do this exercise, you can just stop the video. So, I think this is the solution. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next video.